Today I'm gonna talk about Kerala's festival Vishu. Vishu is one of the most important festivals celebrated in Kerala, making the Malayalam New Year. It usually falls in the month April. The highlight of Vishu is Vishukani, an arrangement of items that people see first in the morning, as it is believed to bring prosperity for good year ahead. On this day, people clean and decorate their homes. They wear new clothes and enjoy special feast called Vishu, Vishu Sadhya. Elders give money to children known as Vishu Kainita, which adds to the joy of the celebration. Vishu is a festival. Vishu is a festival that spreads happiness, hope, and togetherness among everybody.